Welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. Here's the 5 best online passive income ideas for 2020. If you stay to the end on this video, I'll reveal to you my number 1 strategy for creating a passive income online. If you'd like to learn more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. You've got a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, and that's cool. But deep down inside, you know you've always wanted more. More money. More freedom. More flexibility. And so you finally decide that it's time to take action. This video breaks down 5 ideas that'll help you earn passive income while keeping your full-time gig, so you can finally get more than you've ever dreamed of. So what is passive income? Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. In essence, you can do most of the work up front and put some additional effort along the way to earn an income. For example, if you create an online course, you just need to update its content to keep the money flowing. You've probably heard the expression, make money while you sleep. That's the biggest draw that entices people to earn passive income. You can create something, a blog, course, ebook, videos, or an online store, that generates money even when you're not working. Number 1. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources you'll find online. And since we here at Oberlo specialize in dropshipping, it's a good place to start. With dropshipping, you can find trending products on the Oberlo marketplace that you can then sell online to customers around the world. You can sell products in various dropshipping niches, from fashion to home decor to beauty. The magic in dropshipping is that you build your own business and control how much you charge for the products. In fact, out of all the passive income ideas on the list, dropshipping is the one where you have the most control over your earnings. To start dropshipping today, you can sign up for Shopify. In the Shopify App Store, you'll find the Oberlo marketplace so you can find products to sell. Number 2. Run a blog. The most popular passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passive income through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, and more. It's true that it can take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic, or by building an email list. The biggest perk of creating a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income. Thus, running a blog is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Number 3. Create a course. Selling online courses is one of the best passive income ideas of 2020. We're still seeing massive sales growth for course creators. Whether you decide to sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy, you'll find customers who want to learn your insider tips and tricks. If you followed tip number 2 and built your own audience, selling your course on your website can help you control how much passive income you earn. Finding your customers is up to you. That will be a bit easier if you sell on course platforms like Udemy, but your course may be heavily discounted during certain periods. This will affect how much passive income you earn. Number 4. Instagram sponsored posts. If you love Instagram as much as I do, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help you skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, fashion, beauty, home decor, or something really peculiar like outrageous dog grooming, you'll find a committed audience. The secret to getting a ton of Instagram followers is to be super consistent with the type of content you post. So be sure to stick to one niche so that people who follow you can count on you to deliver more content just like that. In your Instagram bio, be sure to add your email address. As your account starts to grow, so will sponsored posts requests, allowing you to make money on Instagram. The more Instagram likes your posts get, the more people will reach out to you, so be sure to create engaging content. Number 5. Create a print-on-demand online store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income these days, it only makes sense to give a shout out to print-on-demand. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, and more. The best thing about this is that you can build your own branded products. The only downside is that you need to be savvy at graphic design because the margins are often too thin to outsource the designs affordably. However, if you design that unique winning design, your sales will take off. Plus, it won't hurt sales since you won't be competing with anyone but yourself. And finally, my number one ways to create passive income online is through high-ticket affiliate marketing. This is where you sell other people's products and get paid a commission for your efforts. The best part is, you don't have to worry about the headaches of creating your own product, customer support, refunds and setting up a merchant account. All you have to do is focus on driving traffic to your offer and you can make money while you sleep. To learn more, click on the link below this video that says my number one recommendation to make money online. Then you can watch a free video about this opportunity to see if it's a right fit for your needs. If you like this video and want to learn more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.